Welcome to our dental care video. Today, we'll be discussing how to take care of our teeth and what causes tooth loss and pain. Let's start with a brief overview of dental hygiene. Tooth loss can be caused by various factors, such as gum disease, cavities, or periodontal disease. Gum disease, which affects the gums and supportive bones that surround teeth, can lead to tooth loss if not properly addressed. Cavities, caused by plaque buildup inside the tooth, can result in tooth breakdown and eventual loss if not filled. Periodontal disease, which is an infection of gums, can cause teeth to become loose and must be treated promptly. Now, let's talk about what to do for strong teeth. 1. Brush your teeth twice a day, using a fluoride toothpaste to help prevent tooth decay and promote tooth strength. 2. Visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings to remove plaque and prevent tooth decay. 3. Rinse your mouth with water or mouthwash after every meal to help keep teeth clean and healthy. 4. Avoid sugary snacks and drinks, as they can lead to tooth decay and cavities. 5. Maintain proper dental hygiene by flossing every day and using dental instruments like toothbrushes and dental floss to clean hidden areas between teeth. 6. Consider using dental appliances, such as braces or dental bridges, if you have missing teeth, to help maintain proper dental alignment and chewing function. Remember, early detection and treatment of tooth decay and gum disease can help prevent tooth loss and maintain overall dental health. Don't hesitate to reach out to your dentist for any concerns or questions you may have. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for more dental care tips.